Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to delete your WordPress website from cpanel. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to log into your cpanel. Once you're there, we'll start by deleting our database. So we are going to click on database. So we'll scroll down, we'll click on the current database. That's it here. We'll delete this one, click on delete. We'll go back. So we'll scroll down and we are going to now delete the current users. So we are going to click on delete. We'll go back. We'll go back on our cpanel. After which you simply scroll down and you click on what? File manager. Once you get here, you simply scroll down and you click on public HTML. You open it. Once you're here, you simply click on highlight up here, as you can see. After which you click on what? Delete. After that, you click on confirm. So we'll go back to our WordPress website, refresh. You can see this error showing that we have already deleted our WordPress website. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.